Welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean grout from your bathroom floor. So let's get right into the video. So recently I discovered that in my wife's bathroom there are tons of grout on our bathroom floor, and it had a mixture of her hair in it. And we tried to clean it with other cleaning supplies and it really didn't work. So we went ahead and purchased this drill brush. There come with 3 different brushes. And with the drill brushes, you can use this one to clean your bathroom tub. You can use this one to clean the floors. You can also use this one to get between the cracks and everything like that. As you can see here, this is like her hair combined with grout, and we really tried everything possible. And she has like a stony floor, and we just bought this product from Amazon. It doesn't come with the drill itself, but the bristles are specifically designed for cleaning grout in the bathroom, cleaning your shower, cleaning your kitchen. It's actually a good investment. It only costs $9. I'm going to go ahead and put this product in action, and I'm going to do a full review on it tomorrow. So the best product I believe to use in cleaning grout from your floor, I normally use Clorox mold and mildew remover. This is my go-to product. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray a little bit of this on the floor. This is like stone floors here. Okay. And normally I would use this brush right here. Got a little bit of hair in it, so I just cleaned it a little bit earlier today because it's for the flat surfaces. But as I couldn't really get in between the cracks with this one, so I had to use this brush that comes with the extender. We're gonna go ahead and just use it. You can get a corner. This is very good for cleaning grout lines. Perfect. Okay. You can go over your whole floor. Let's take a look at the brush. See, he's already picking up that hair and that grout that's stuck between the hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Very good investment. This product was only $9. Yeah. It's a lot easier than scrubbing it with your own hands. Okay. Also, the link will be in the description if you want to try this product out yourself. All right. So because this floor is basically rock-stone stones, so I'm going to just spray a little bit of water in it. And you can use your different type of cleaning product at home because this water rocks need to absorb the water. Okay. As you can see here, it was easy to clean it up. I'm going to use using a quick hand towel. There you go. Look at this. Now this floor is specifically, like I said, hard to clean because it's actually like a bunch of little stones in here on the floor. It's a stone floor. But as you can see, clean. Perfectly clean. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing a full review on this product. See you in the next video.